Welcome to our YouTube channel Infotive. Today we discuss about AI means artificial intelligence, what is AI, and how they perform their work, so let's start. AI means artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that deals with creating intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI systems use algorithms and machine learning techniques to analyze data, learn from patterns, and make decisions or predictions based on that information. There are several types of AI, including 1. Rule-based AI. These systems use a set of predefined rules to make decisions. They follow a rigid decision-making process and cannot learn from new data. 2. Machine learning. These systems use statistical techniques to learn from data and improve their performance over time. There are two main types of machine learning: supervised learning and unsupervised learning. 3. Deep learning. These systems use a neural network architecture to learn and make decisions. They are particularly good at processing large amounts of unstructured data, such as images or speech. AI systems perform their work by following a set of steps. First, data collection. AI systems require large amounts of data to train and learn from. This data can be collected from various sources, such as sensors, databases, or user interactions. Second, data preparation. The collected data must be cleaned and formatted so that it can be used by the AI system. This involves removing duplicates, correcting errors, and normalizing the data. Third, training. Once the data is prepared, the AI system is trained using various machine learning algorithms. During this process, the system learns to recognize patterns and make decisions based on the input data. Fourth, evaluation. After the training is complete, the AI system is evaluated to determine its accuracy and performance. This is done by testing the system on a set of data that it has not seen before. Fifth, deployment. Once the AI system has been evaluated and is deemed ready, it is deployed into a production environment. Here, it can perform its intended function, such as recommending products or detecting fraud. AI systems can also be further improved over time through a process called retraining. This involves feeding the system new data and updating its algorithms to improve its performance. But also, here's some limitations of AI. What are limitations of AI? Let's know about the limitations. AI limitations. Artificial intelligence has made significant strides in recent years, with applications in various industries such as healthcare, finance, transportation, and entertainment. However, despite its advancements, AI still has some limitations. Here are some of the limitations of AI. First, limited creativity. While AI can be programmed to generate new content, it is still limited in terms of creativity. AI lacks the ability to come up with completely new ideas and original concepts that are not based on previously learned patterns. Second, bias. AI algorithms are only as unbiased as the data they are trained on. If the data used to train AI systems are biased or incomplete, the AI model will also be biased. This can result in discriminatory outcomes that perpetuate existing inequalities. Third, lack of emotional intelligence. AI lacks emotional intelligence, which is a crucial aspect of human communication and decision-making. AI is incapable of understanding human emotions and lacks the ability to empathize with people. Fourth, limited generalization. AI models are often trained on specific datasets, which limits their ability to generalize to new and unseen scenarios. This can lead to poor performance in real-world situations. Fifth, limited adaptability. AI systems are designed to operate in specific environments and under specific conditions. They lack the flexibility and adaptability that humans possess, which can make it difficult for them to operate effectively in changing or unpredictable situations. Sixth, security concerns. AI systems can be vulnerable to attacks and can be used to perpetrate cybercrimes. As AI becomes more advanced, the risks associated with AI security breaches are likely to increase. 7. Lack of common sense. AI systems lack common sense, which is the ability to understand everyday situations and make decisions based on practical considerations. This can lead to errors and misunderstandings in situations that require common sense reasoning. Overall, while AI has made significant strides in recent years, it still has limitations that need to be addressed. By acknowledging these limitations, researchers can work towards developing more advanced AI systems that are better equipped to address real-world problems. Ultimately, now we discuss about important part means what are the scope of AI and future of AI. AI future scope. The future scope of AI is vast and encompasses a broad range of industries and applications. Here are some of the areas where AI is likely to have a significant impact in the future. 1. Healthcare. AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by improving the accuracy of diagnosis, speeding up the drug discovery process, and enhancing patient outcomes. 2. Education. AI can personalize the learning experience for students and help teachers create more effective lesson plans. 3. Finance. AI can help banks and financial institutions better manage risk, detect fraud, and improve customer service. 4. Transportation. AI can be used to optimize traffic flow, improve safety, and enhance the overall efficiency of transportation systems. 5. Manufacturing. AI can automate repetitive tasks and optimize production processes, resulting in increased efficiency and lower costs. 6. Agriculture. AI can help farmers optimize crop yields, monitor soil health, and improve the overall sustainability of agriculture. 7. Entertainment. AI can be used to create more personalized and engaging experiences for consumers in the entertainment industry. 8. Retail. AI can help retailers personalize marketing efforts, optimize inventory management, and enhance the customer experience. 9. Cybersecurity. AI can be used to detect and respond to cyber threats in real time, improving overall security for individuals and organizations. Overall, the future scope of AI is vast and has the potential to impact almost every aspect of our lives. As AI technology continues to develop, we can expect to see more and more industries and applications adopting AI solutions to improve efficiency, accuracy, and overall outcomes. Thank you for watching this video. Let's meet you again in next video with new topic.